So today I'm going to show you guys how I make hummus. So the first thing, I'm going to use a NutriBullet, I forgot what it's called, and I'm going to throw in a big clove of garlic, and then I'm going to open up my can of garbanzo beans. So now that I have my garbanzo bean can open, I am going to get a strainer and then over the sink, and I'm going to pour it in, and then I'm going to spray it with cold water. So I'm going to do that on the sink. Put a bowl under it so it doesn't leak onto the counter. So now I'm going to blend this garlic up on my NutriBullet. Okay, so that literally took 2 seconds. So now it's all over the walls, but that's okay because we're going to add stuff to it. So now we're going to add that clove of garlic. This our garbanzo beans, and then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of tahini, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, and a fourth teaspoon of kosher salt, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. So now I'm going to add that to our NutriBullet. So I forgot to tell y'all, but I'm going to add, I'm going to squeeze in a lemon into our thing. So we'll cut this in half. So now I'm just going to cut up my lemon in half, so I can squeeze it. I'm going to blend up this concoction, whatever it's called, however you say it, whatever, our ingredients. I just blended it up. So now I'm gonna pour it into a bowl.
You gotta get your lemon juice?
Yep. I think this bowl will be good. I'm gonna need a spoon. We'll do a long spoon so we can really get in there. Okay. So, oh wait, I forgot to get this. You want to get every last bit of it. So, that is the hummus. And so, don't forget to share this video. Give me a thumbs up if you tried it and you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever I come out with new videos. Bye!